So you've probably seen these really cute Lovevery toys and wondered, is it actually worth that hefty price tag? And if you love saving money like me, then you also may be wondering if there's any way that you could save money on the cost. Today, I'm going to be breaking down the whole cost of Lovevery and talking about, is it actually worth the price? And I'm going to give you some tips on how you can save money on the cost. Hey guys, I'm Marissa and welcome back to my channel. Here on my channel, we talk about motherhood and money and how you can enjoy life while still accomplishing financial goals. So if that sounds like something interesting to you, I'd love to have you as part of my YouTube family here. You can scroll down and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any new videos. So let's talk about Lovevery. So my son Peter is now 10 months old and we have had every single play kit up till now of Lovevery's. We started with the 0 to 12 week play kit when Peter was a newborn little baby because we didn't have toys for him. We wanted to get toys, but we didn't know exactly what he needed because we're like first time parents and it seemed really confusing of trying to figure out like, what does he need? What's going to be developmentally appropriate and good for him? And then also when we were in this newborn stage and barely sleeping and brushing our teeth, we were like, who has the time to research that and figure it all out? So we found Lovevery and we decided to try it out and sign up for their play kit subscription. So we bought the 0 to 12 week kit and it arrived and we really loved all of the toys that were in it. And honestly, some of them Peter still uses today, even at 10 months old. So for full transparency of this video, like I said, we bought ourselves the first play kit, the 0 to 12 week play kit, and we signed up for the subscription, totally planning to purchase every other play kit after that. But Lovevery actually did reach out to us and they have sent us the play kits after that. So we've had all of those gifted to us and we're really grateful. But again, we were completely planning on buying those ourselves because we did love the first play kit. But a huge thanks to Lovevery for sending us the play kits after that. So what is Lovevery? Lovevery is a subscription toy company that sends play kits on an every other month or every 3-month basis depending on your child's age. The box arrives to your house and it's full of toys that are perfect for your child's age and stage of development. And if you want to check out Lovevery and their play kits, I will have a link in the description box down below so you can check them out there and see all the different play kit options that they have and sign up if you're interested. Lovevery toys are Montessori inspired. They are so high quality and really well made and they'll last such a long time. They're also made with organic materials, which I really appreciate. And they have this like simple and classic look and I feel okay if they're like spread around my house because they actually like look good. So included in each play kit are several toys, which we'll get into, but also included is this play guide. And you guys, this is like such an awesome benefit to Lovevery. Again, like I shared, we signed up because we didn't know exactly what Peter needed at what stage, and all of that info is in this guide. You get one of these play guides with every single kit, and in it talks about what your baby is going through at their stage. It talks about all of the playthings that came in your box and how you can use them to encourage development in many ways with your baby. And then it also has some extra activities that you can do with your baby. So I think that it's given us a lot of structure and activity ideas that we can do with Peter because again, as first time parents in the beginning, I had no idea what I was supposed to be doing with him, how I was supposed to be playing with him or like encouraging development in any way. So this has been so helpful having the content. So overall, I think the main thing that I love about Lovevery is that it takes the guesswork out of me trying to figure out what Peter needs for toys at each stage. And instead it's just sent to me in a box at my house with really cute, awesome toys that are perfect for his age and development. So let's talk about the cost. From the newborn kit, which is 0 to 12 weeks, all the way up to 11 months, the cost is $80 per kit. And again, these kits get sent every 2 months. So there's like a 3 to 4 month play kit, a 5 to 6 month play kit, and on and on. So $80 for a box that comes every other month is kind of like $40 a month. Lovevery also does toys all the way up to 36 months, which is 3 years. And the boxes from 13 to 36 months actually comes every 3 months. And so the cost there is $120 for those boxes, which again is like $40 $7 a month. Now each box varies in the number of toys that you get, but it's roughly about 7 toys per box. And that's at least for the newborn through 12 months play kits. And if you want to check out what's in each play kit, you can actually check out every single individual play kit and every single plaything in each one on Lovevery's website, which again, I have a link to in the description box, so you can check it out there if you want to learn more about what's in each one. So let's compare the price. I looked up on Target just to see some baby toys that were out there, and toys kind of range between $4 to $15 depending on the type of toy that you're getting. So with that, let's assume kind of like an average of $9 per toy that you would be buying for your child. So if you bought 7 toys at $9, this would come out to be $63 that you'd spend in toys, which is actually pretty close to the $80 cost of about 7 toys in a Lovevery play kit. So here's the big question. Is Lovevery worth the cost? I would say yes. And again, I know that Lovevery has sent me these past kits, but we paid for the first one ourselves and we were planning to pay for all the other kits following that. I would definitely be paying for it myself for every play kit if Lovevery wasn't sending it to us every other month. With Lovevery, these are like the only toys that your baby needs, so you don't need to go and buy additional toys if you make Lovevery just the only toys that you're going to purchase for your baby. And as we talked about, in comparison to buying other toys individually, it's really similar in the price. Maybe you'd spend an extra $7 a month on Lovevery versus buying other toys out there for their individual costs. And with paying like comparably an extra $7 a month, you're getting the convenience of having toys specific for your child's age and development sent directly to you, and it takes the hassle out of trying to figure out what your baby needs. And all the toys are super high quality, they encourage development and learning, and they will last you a long time. I love the fact that each play kit, like the toys aren't specifically for only that 2 months of your baby's life, but instead there's ways that your baby can play with it at this age, and then different ways that your baby can play with it for months on. Like I shared, Peter still loves toys that have been in his previous play kits. Like this magic tissue box was in like the 5 to 6 month play kit, and he still loves this thing. And even this fabric book, we are just like obsessed with the fabric book. He loves playing with this thing on his high chair. It's just a favorite, and this was in the 3 to 4 month play kit. Also, the play guide is an amazing perk, and it gives you such great content as you are learning more about your baby and playing with them. So I love the content that Lovevery comes up with as well. So maybe you're like, okay, I really want the Lovevery toys, but that cost still seems a little bit high. There are some additional ways that you can save on Lovevery toys. The first being, you can skip a play kit if you want. So you can sign up for the subscription, and what I love about when you sign up for the Lovevery subscription is that you're not like locked into getting it like every month for a year or anything like that. You can decide to skip a play kit if you want. And the great thing is that you can view every play kit and see all the toys that are included. So maybe you decide that you want to skip one play kit and instead get the next play kit for your child. There's no penalty or fee or anything like that for skipping a play kit, and so you could decide that you'd want to get every other play kit instead of receiving every single one that would come out. So that right there would basically cut the cost in half. Obviously you aren't getting as many toys, but you don't need to get every single play kit that comes out, and you can easily just skip one and continue on with the next subscription. The other thing to be mindful of is that you can use these toys for all future babies as well. So I plan to save all of these toys, and whenever we have a second child, I'll take them out, and then I won't have to spend any money on toys when we get to that point. I love that they're super great quality, as I've shared, and they'll last such a long time. There's nothing that's going to like wear out on them. So I totally expect that a second and third baby will get as much love and enjoyment out of these toys as Peter does. Another way to be able to save on the cost is to resell the toys when you're done with them. The Lovevery toys actually hold their value really well, and you could easily sell your toys back on Facebook Marketplace for a pretty good price. So I hope that this was helpful for you in determining if Lovevery would be a good choice for you and your baby. Again, we love the toys, and I would highly recommend them. And I also love that there are a few ways that you can find to reduce the overall cost of Lovevery toys to make it fit in your budget a little bit better. So if you want to check out Lovevery, I will have a link to them in the description box down below, so you can check them out there. And with that, I will look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.